Yeah, I'm working on a quick conversion of my Gen-2 STARLINK Dish so that I could flat mount it and be able to run it while we're on the road. So I didn't want to spend a lot of money on this, and I also didn't want to use one of those kits that covered the top, and I wanted to keep this main enclosure intact instead of taking it apart. I started by cutting off the main stem here, and the next thing I needed to do was to disable the motor. So I drilled a hole right here. What you see here is a little grommet that I put it after, and use these here to reach in there and disconnect the motor from the main circuit board. Now the next thing to do is going to be to create a mount for this whole thing so that I can secure it on the roof. I don't have a 3D printer, so what I'm going to use is this $16 section of vinyl fence post and cut it up, and then using a heat gun I can mold it to kind of get the shape that I want so that I can secure this to the track that I already have on the top of the RV.